Every year, millions of trees are felled to produce paper and production materials, leading to deforestation and habitat loss. At SilverCAT, we found a solution. From our research and by selecting alternative suppliers and materials, we're now reducing our reliance on natural balsa to help preserve our forests. The process begins with collecting used plastic bottles, which are then cleaned, shredded, and transformed into durable sheets through cutting-edge technology. Recycling these materials both keeps our landfills emptier and also prevents further use of fresh raw materials. Thanks to our commitment to sustainability, we've saved 2 trees and recycled 67,158 bottles so far this year, significantly reducing our carbon footprint. Our suppliers' sheets not only help the environment, but also offer superior quality and durability, making them the ideal choice for eco-conscious consumers and businesses. Join us in our commitment to a greener future. Choose SilverCAT for innovative, eco-friendly solutions. SilverCAT, your ride into the future.